Good morning, students. Now, example 3.5. Find the condition that the roots of cubic equation, that is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, are in the ratio p is to q is to r. Once again listen, find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation, roots are, cubic equation is like this term, roots are in the ratio p is to q is to r. Now solution starts. Since the roots are in the ratio p is to q is to r, so we can assume the roots. Normally the roots are alpha, beta, gamma, but here the roots are in the ratio, that is p, q, r, p is to q is to r. So we assume the roots p lambda, q lambda and r lambda. Okay, now sigma 1. Now we are going to find sigma 1, sigma 2 and sigma 3. Okay, here sigma 1, that is sum of the three roots p lambda plus q lambda plus r lambda. What is the formula? Minus b by a. Yes, very good. Minus b by a. Here b is equal to a and a is equal to 1. Okay, b is equal to here, b is equal to what? Second term a, and a is equal to 1. So we substitute in this formula minus b by a. So minus a by 1, that is sigma 1 is a. Next sigma 2. Sigma 2, which means what? Do you know? Yes, very good. Sum of the product of the two roots. Here three roots are, we taken the three roots. We are assuming p lambda, q lambda, r lambda. First we multiplying first two roots and second two roots and first and last. Okay, so p lambda into q lambda plus q lambda into r lambda plus r lambda into p lambda. What is the formula? Second one c by a. Here c is equal to what? Yes, very good, b. And a is equal to 1. Good. Then we substitute in this formula. So we get the answer b. So sigma 2 is equal to b. Next, last one, sigma 3. Sigma 3 means what? Do you know? You say yes. Product of the three roots. Here three roots are p lambda into q lambda into r lambda. What is the formula? Here last one minus d by a. Here d is equal to c, minus c by a is equal to 1. So the answer is minus c. Now we get here the last one, sigma 3. From sigma 3, here what is PQR into lambda cube. PQR into lambda cube, this is equal to minus c. Now lambda cube equal to PQR goes to right hand side to denominator. So what is the answer? Lambda cube is equal to c by minus c by PQR. And from the first equation we taken out the common factor lambda. So lambda into p plus q plus r, this is equal to minus a. Now lambda is equal to p plus q plus r goes right hand side denominator. So we write lambda is equal to minus a by p plus q plus r. Okay. Now substituting this lambda in this formula. Lambda is equal to minus a by p plus q plus r. Substituting this place. So minus a by p plus q plus r whole cube. This is equal to minus c by p q r. Now we Multiplying this term in 3 terms, so a cube by, what is the answer? Here a cube by p plus q plus r whole cube. This is equal to minus c by pqr. So we cancel these 2 minus, then cross multiplying this, we get the answer pqr into a cube. This is equal to c into p plus q plus r. Okay, we cross multiplying these two terms. pqr goes to left hand side, the numerator, and p plus q plus r goes to right hand side to the numerator. So we get the answer pqr into a cube equal to c into p plus q plus r whole cube. Okay, students, are you understand? Find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation, that is x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, are in the ratio pqr, p is to q is to r. Now we assume the roots are, first we assume the roots p lambda, q lambda and r lambda. Next we find the sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 3, and using first and last we get the answer. We eliminate the lambda, just we eliminate the lambda. This from these two equations we eliminate the lambda, that is we substitute 1 in, we substitute lambda is equal to minus a by p plus q plus r in lambda cube. We get the condition, that is this is our condition pqr into a cube equal to c into p plus q plus r whole cube. Are you understand? Thank you.